The Canon printer error code B200 signifies a problem with the printer's printhead. This error code can be caused by several factors, including a dirty printhead, outdated drivers, or a faulty ink cartridge. To resolve this issue, several solutions can be employed. Firstly, cleaning the printhead is a viable option. This involves removing the printhead, cleaning the gold contacts with alcohol or a non-oily cleaning solution, and then carefully flushing the printhead under a hot water tap. After allowing it to dry, the printhead can be reinstalled and the printer restarted. Another solution is to update the printer drivers by visiting the Canon website, clicking on Support, and then selecting Software and Drivers. From there, the serial number of the printer can be entered into the search box, and the compatible drivers for the Windows version can be downloaded and installed. The computer should then be restarted, and the printer tried again. Additionally, inspecting the ink cartridge is crucial, ensuring it is properly installed, checking for blockages and cleaning if necessary, and verifying the ink level to top it up if it is low. By following these steps, the error code B200 can be effectively resolved.